y'all. Okay, y'all might hear the air condition. Y'all, it's too hot for this. It's too hot to be cute, all right? So, I got my venti white tea from Starbucks, girl. It's refreshing, but I feel like it's not as sweet as I would like it, but you know what? It might be a good thing. And I normally get black tea, but I got white tea. It's pretty good, though. And y'all, I got my banana bread, my banana nut bread. Since I don't want to touch it with the gloves, I'm gonna kind of push it up. Okay. Then I kind of push it up some. Sorry, you hear all this crumpling. Oh! That's harder than I thought. See, it's right there. Yeah. Having that nut bread is hitting. Okay? Now I see what Jordan Knight was talking about. Shout out to Jordan Knight. New Kids on the Block. One of my favorite groups. Yeah, he loved his Star Beezy. And he said he loved to get the I think he said he loved to get something, and it was a banana nut bread every morning. But yeah, shout out to them. I am like now a new diehard NKOTB fan. I wish I discovered them sooner. I love Michael, Janet, everybody, and new NKOTB. But yeah, they're one of my favorite groups. Also, Big Mountain's one of my favorite groups, and yeah. But I just love music in general. In fact, I'll play some music for y'all, but I ain't trying to get spanked with no copyright. So y'all, we about to now head to Jersey Mike's and get some subs. I've been fiending for a Jersey Mike's sub like since forever ago, so I'm gonna. This little crooked crow. He walking all type of crooked, baby. Yep, get out the way. There you go. And seagulls too. What they doing down here? What the hell are they doing down here, y'all? Ratchet seagulls. Okay. So we leaving Walmart. I got what I needed and some other things I probably didn't need. Well, somewhat, but alright, but we just got like the stuff that we needed for the most part. So that's good. But yeah, you guys, I have to get used to this vlogging thing. Sometimes it's challenging. But I do need a thing to hold it so it's a little easier, you know, when I pick up things or, you know. Yeah, I like my tea, but it's a little, well, it didn't get too warm, which is good, and I'm very surprised, but it just got, it's just like, I feel like it's missing something. Maybe I need to go and put some more ice in it, but then it might water it down a lot. I don't know. You know, we'll get some, that real cubed ice, put a little extra. I should have told, you know what? Did I tell them extra ice on it? Yeah, I did. Because I noticed with a lot of places, they get stingy as hell with that ice. They drop like 2-3 cubes in there. Like their life depend on it. Like notice when you go to Mickey D's, you ask them for extra sauce, they look at you like, what? Alright, I'll maybe just chill out behind this lady's car. And I don't think it's been 15 minutes yet, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check the time and make sure. Well, actually, it's close to 15 minutes because when I pulled off, so it might just be just about time. So let me check in and see if they have my sandwich ready because it don't take them long. But all right, I'll be back. Okay, hey guys. All right, sorry. I had to, you know, get my food, so I decided to put this on. All right, I'm just gonna, well, I could go front. Let's see. Yeah, just gotta cut it. Yeah, there we go. All right. So I just came from Jersey Mike's, got my subs. I actually got the club sub, which is like, I think the turkey and the thing that starts with a P, but I can't pronounce it right this minute. Was it prosciutto or something on it? And I got, it's like basically like a lot of stuff on there. And I think, does it have ham on there too? And I got a tuna sub. This way I could have that either, or if I decide to flip-flop it, but I'll have one today, one tomorrow. This way I'm covered for lunch / dinner. So, but yeah, but I ain't got long before I gotta be home. Unless, you know what, I can take this way to go home. You know what? Takeaway you never known before. Okay, we're gonna do that. Just like I tried my banana nut bread and white tea. We're gonna try some new things, you know? And just like I'm trying new things, like I'm learning new things, like I'm learning new skills, like I'm learning how to get better with Photoshop and like InDesign and Illustrator because of the career I want to do. And no, it's not graphic design, but this could also be helpful for when I do my thumbnails for vlogs or just anything, or I can even help people with it. So it'll be really fun to, and plus it's like fun, you know, when you're learning something and it's like, okay, you're starting to get it, you know, and you practice. And so, and I learn by monkey see, monkey do. So I'm learning on YouTube as well as like books and things. So I'm just like learning things as I go, all kinds of different things, and you know, having fun with it. But so far I'm having fun with it, learning on my own. I think with school, what makes it stressful is like, because it's due a certain time, even though I'm kind of putting myself on a deadline, it's not as stressful, if that makes sense. Like it actually makes it a little easier for me to I thought there was a road I had to turn on. It makes it a little easier for me to, you know, get it done. Yeah, it's such a beautiful day out. I decided to take advantage of this. I decided to, you know, kind of let y'all hang out with me for a while. And I don't know if this was fun for you, but it was fun for me. It was interesting. Like I said, I'm totally like new to this, really. And you know, I get it. It's hard to vlog, like you know, carrying around that camera or device that you have, and then, you know, every step of the way, you know, so you just have to like get used to it. But I like it so far. I think I'm gonna do more. Oh yeah, I just love driving through this area. So it's like, it's so relaxing. And that's what I probably should do, just do some random drives, just, you know, just have some me time. I think we all need that sometimes, especially if you're surrounded by people. You got to do a lot of things for people. Everybody needs that little me time to do their thing and to get themselves settled, and that's what I'm trying to get more of. I think that's what this quarantine is teaching me too. All right, about to turn in. Yay, yay. Thank God there's, ooh, it's like, ooh, parking lot's empty. Good. All right, but let's see if I can park in the front. If I can't park in the front, then it's okay. Ooh, she as pregnant as could be. Woo. She pregnant. All right, I don't wanna clap the dog either. Okay. What if that's the crazy girl and her boyfriend? Is she smoking while she's pregnant? No, bro, she's not. Unless she got a gut, but like, if she's pregnant and she's smoking, no. Alright, guys, but I'm just gonna end it here because I gotta go in. But thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed it at least as much as I do. I think I'm gonna break it down into a few parts. Maybe not, just, or a couple of parts, so it's not really that long. But until then, guys, if you can see me, because I know there's a glare, but until then, guys, I love you guys. Take care so much. Thank you for stopping by T's World. I am so glad to be a part of your day, whatever day that may be in your center of the universe. But I am always here, always, doing my thing. So I'm going to post my new social media information at the end of the vlog so you guys can follow me. And I have some more stuff coming for you guys, some great stuff coming for you guys. And just stay tuned and look out for me, all right? But I love you all. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Wash your hands, wash your ass, and everything in between. All right. All right. Adios, guys. Bye-bye.